Good morning. Today we have to see next concept about electric dipole. Electric dipole. Two charges of equal magnitude plus q and minus q. Two equal in magnitude but opposite charges separated by some finite distance constitute a dipole called as electric dipole. What is electric dipole? What is electric dipole? Two equal in magnitude but opposite charges. Two equal in magnitude but opposite charges separated by some finite distance constitute a dipole called as electric dipole if q, that is magnitude of each charge, 2l, that is distance between two charges called as dipole length, then electric dipole moment is defined as product of magnitude of one charge and dipole length. This is about electric dipole. What is electric dipole? Two equal in magnitude but opposite charges separated by some finite distance constitute a dipole. इथे एक dipole तयार होतो called as electric dipole if q, magnitude of one charge, 2l, distance between two charges called as dipole length, then electric dipole moment is defined as product of magnitude of one charge and distance between two charges, that is dipole length. Now electric potential at any point due to short electric dipole. We have to see electric potential at any point due to short electric dipole. See, consider a short electric dipole. Consists of positive plus q charge at A and minus q charge at B separated by distance 2l from each other. Consider a short electric dipole consists of charge plus q at A and minus q at B separated by distance 2l from each other. Let C be any point. At distance r from center of dipole at which electric potential is to be determined. Let C be any point. Let C be any point at distance r from center of dipole at which electric potential is to be determined. Join AC and BC. Join AC and BC like this. ही लेंथ आहे 2L, याचा अर्थ ही लेंथ झाली L, तर ही पण लेंथ झाली L. Suppose this angle is theta. This distance R1, this distance R2. Okay. See once more. Consider a short electric dipole consists of plus Q charge at A and minus Q charge at B. Let C be any point at which electric potential is to be determined. Let Q magnitude of one charge 2L dipole length, and therefore P is equal to Q into 2L, called as electric dipole moment. P is equal to Q into 2L, called as electric dipole moment. R1 distance of point C from charge plus Q. R2 distance of point C from charge minus Q. Theta angle between OC with axis of dipole. टर्म कोणत्या परत बघा. Let Q magnitude of one charge 2L length of dipole, electric dipole, and therefore P, that is Q into 2L, called as electric dipole moment. R1 distance of point C from charge plus Q. R2 distance of point C from charge minus Q. Theta angle between OC with axis of dipole. Then electric potential at C due to charge plus Q at A. Electric potential at C due to charge plus Q at A, Phi1 is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon into charge Q divided by distance, that is R1. Charge plus Q divided by distance R1. And electric potential at C due to charge minus Q at B. म्हणजेच हा जो चार्ज आहे, या चार्जचं या ठिकाणचं पोटेन्शियल आहे समजा Phi1, या चार्जचं या ठिकाणचं पोटेन्शियल Phi2, that is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon into minus Q divided by R2. Of the last period, we have already studied electric potential at any point due to charge. 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon into charge divided by distance of charge. Okay, like this. And therefore, resultant potential at C. Therefore, resultant potential at C, that is Phi is equal to Phi1 plus Phi2. Resultant potential at C, V1 प्लस V2 विच इज इक्वल टू, हा भाग दोघांना कॉमन आहे, समजा तो कॉमन काढला, Q पण कॉमन आहे, म्हणजेच Q डिवायडेड बाय 4 पाय एप्सिलॉन इंटू ही तर राहिले शिल्लक 1 डिवायडेड बाय R1 मायनस 1 डिवायडेड बाय R2. काय केलं आपण, रिझल्टंट पोटेन्शियल ॲट C V इज इक्वल टू V1 प्लस V2. V1 ची व्हॅल्यू हित आहे, V2 ची व्हॅल्यू हित आहे, या दोघांची ऍडिशन करतोय. हा भाग कॉमन आहे, चार्ज Q पण कॉमन आहे, राहिले इथं प्लस 1 डिवायड बाय R1 मायनस 1 डिवायडेड बाय R2. नाव बाय geometry distance R1 square is equal to R square plus L square plus L square minus 2 RL into cos theta. Cosine rule. By geometry, R1 square is equal to R square plus L square minus 2 RL cos theta, and R2 square is equal to R2 square, that is R square plus L square plus, इथं मायनस आहे तर इथं प्लस करायचं, that is R square plus L square plus 2 R square plus L square plus 2 RL into cos theta. इथं ॲक्यूट अँगल आहे म्हणून इथं मायनस केलं, इथं ऑब्ट्यूस अँगल आहे म्हणून इथं प्लस केलं. ओके, दिस इज आवर R1 स्क्वेअर अँड R2 स्क्वेअर. आता आपण R1 स्क्वेअर पहिले सिम्प्लिफाय करूया. लेट R1 square is equal to R square plus L square minus 2 RL into cos theta. समजा आपण R square कॉमन काढला तर जागेवर काय राहतं 1 प्लस L square by R square minus 2 L by R into cos theta. कॉमन काय काढला आपण R square कॉमन काढला तर हिथं 1 R square ने हिथं डिवाइड केलं, बट L is very less than R, therefore L by R is very small, and therefore L square by R square is very small and can be neglected. म्हणजेच L by R हा रेशियो स्मॉल असतो, त्यामुळे हायर पॉवर बिकम्स व्हेरी स्मॉल अँड कॅन बी निग्लेक्टेड. मग आपण समजा ह्याला काढून टाकलं, राहिलं काय शिल्लक R1 square is equal to R square into bracket 1 minus 2L by R into cos theta. Okay. Therefore, R1 is equal to R into bracket 1 minus 2L by R into cos theta raised to 1/2. याचं रूट काढलं, याचं रूट काढलं, याचं पण रूट काढलं, याचा रेसिप्रोकल, याचा रेसिप्रोकल, याचा रेसिप्रोकल. Therefore 1 by R1 is equal to 1 by R into bracket 1 minus 2L by R into cos theta raised to minus 1/2. याचा रेसिप्रोकल 1 by R1, याचा रेसिप्रोकल 1 by R, आणि याचा रेसिप्रोकल केला तर पॉवरचं साइन चेंज केलं. ओके. मग समजा आपण हे जर समजा सॉल्व्ह केलं, तर त्याची व्हॅल्यू असते 1/r इज 1/r1 इज इक्वल टू 1/r इंटू ब्रॅकेट 1 प्लस L/r इंटू कॉस थिटा बायनॉमियल थिअरम. आता हे तुम्हाला थोडंसं लक्षातच ठेवावं लागेल. 1/r1 इज इक्वल टू 1/r 1 प्लस L/r कॉस थिटा बायनॉमियल थिअरम आहे. मॅथ्स मध्ये तुम्हाला होईलच. सिमिलरली 1/r2 इज इक्वल टू, समजा आपण या ठिकाणी हा R2 घेतला, हे जर सिम्प्लिफाय केलं तर या ठिकाणी तयार होईल 1/r इंटू 1 मायनस L/r इंटू कॉस थिटा. ओके. पुट दिस टू व्हॅल्यूज इन दिस इक्वेशन. या इक्वेशन मध्ये आपण काय करतो, ह्या दोन्ही व्हॅल्यू ठेवतोय आणि देअरफॉर रिझल्टंट पोटेन्शियल V इज इक्वल टू, आपला फॉर्म्युला Q डिवायडेड बाय 4 पाप्स नॉट इंटू 1/r1 मायनस 1/r2, Q डिवायडेड बाय 4 पाप्स नॉट इंटू 1/r1 that is 1/r into 1 plus L/r cos theta minus 1/r2 1/r into 1 minus L/r cos theta. Okay. 1 divided by 4 paps not 1/r 1 plus L/r cos theta minus 1/r 1 minus L cos theta, minus minus plus 1 ला minus 1 cancel, we get Q divided by 4 pi epsilon into 1/r. हिथं हे प्लस हे मीन्स 2L cos theta divided by r. 2L cos theta divided by r. Which is equal to Q 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon into Q into 2L into cos theta, Q into 2L into cos theta divided by R into R, that is R square. But Q into 2L, that is electric dipole moment, and therefore resultant potential at C V is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon into P cos theta divided by R square. This is an expression of electric potential. This is an expression of electric potential at any point due to short electric dipole. Okay. 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon into P cos theta divided by R square. Now, along axis of dipole, theta is equal to 0, which implies cos theta is equal to 1, and therefore potential V is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon into P divided by R square. This is potential at any point along axis of dipole, and one more along equator. along axis means if point C is along this axis, then resultant potential is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into P divided by R square. If point C is along equator, this one as equator, then angle theta is equal to 90 degree, which implies cos theta is equal to 0. Cos 90 0. And here the 0 is the total 0, means potential along equator is always 0. This is about electric potential at any point due to short electric dipole. साधं सिम्प्लिफाय आहे. सिम्प्लिफाय कसं कसं केलं पहा. पहिलं आपण काय पाहिलं, इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल. त्यानंतर इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेन्शियल ऍट एनी पॉइंट ड्यू टू शॉर्ट इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल. डायग्राम साध्या पद्धतीनेच आहे. त्यासाठी काय केलं, पहिले आपण इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेन्शियल ऍट सी ड्यू टू चार्ज प्लस क्यू तयार केलं. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेन्शियल ऍट सी ड्यू टू चार्ज मायनस क्यू. Resultant potential, that is potential due to charge Q plus Q, and potential due to charge minus Q means V1 plus V2. Geometry वापरून इथं 1 by R1 1 by R2 तयार केला. मिळालेला 1 by R1 1 by R2 आपण इथं ठेवतोय या पोझिशनला. कॉमन काढलं 1 by R plus 1 ला minus 1 कॅन्सल. हे प्लस एल बाय आर कॉस थिटा, इथं पण प्लस एल बाय आर कॉस थिटा म्हणजे त्याची 2 टाइम्स. हिअर क्यू इंटू 2L राहिले तर 1 डिवाइड बाय 4 pi epsilon naught क्यू इंटू 2L कॉस थिटा, but Q into 2L, that is electric dipole moment, and therefore resultant potential phi is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P cos theta divided by R square. If point C is along axis, if point C is along axis of dipole, then this angle is 0, and therefore cos theta is equal to 1, and electric potential becomes 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P divided by R square. And along equator, theta is 90 degree, cos 90 is 0, therefore resultant potential becomes 0. This is about electric potential. Okay, next part on next period.